In this quick guide, we will show you how to create shoppable videos and allow customers to purchase products directly from your video. From the app menu, go to Shoppable Videos. Click on Add Video and enter a title for the video. Enter a description for the video, then upload the thumbnail image, followed by the video file. Now click on Proceed. To add products, click on the plus icon. Search for the products and click on Import Product. Then set the timestamp for each product. The Add to Cart button will appear exactly when the product is shown in the video. To make the products more noticeable, you can enable the blink effect. To do this, click on the three dots and choose Add Blink. As you can see here, I have added the blink effect to each product. Once all the products are added, click on Save and publish the video. That's it. Your shoppable video is now live and customers can shop directly while watching the video. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.